Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and today I am going to be showing you how to get rid of those claws from your beaded handles. I know this is something that is very difficult for people to do, and normal jewelry pliers are not going to cut it, okay? Unless you have heavy duty pliers, they're not going to work. So what we are going to be using, we're still going to use normal jewelry pliers, but the key thing that we are going to be using today is scissors. We need a scissors to achieve this. So basically you are going to go to that spot which separates one of the rings, whichever ring you want to take off. Then you're just going to act like you're about to scissors it, like you want to cut a paper, and that is going to open immediately as you just saw. Then you're going to rotate the ring that you want left to its own opening. Then you're going to just pull it out like so, and it's going to come out. See, that was very simple. I'm going to repeat it again. Okay, so I always found this very difficult to do until I realized I could use scissors to do it. My pliers were not working. So just go to that, opening point, put your scissors there, then press down very hard like you want to cut a paper. And as long as the top of your scissors goes inside, know that it's going to create an opening. So you just need to make it very hard, like you need to press hard to make the hole bigger. And if the hole is not big enough, you can then take your pliers and try. You're going to try. It's not going to work with just pliers only. I just want to make you know that it's not going to work. So you're either going to try to scissors it again, or you are going to use your scissors and your pliers to open it up more. Yeah, so like I said, I believe many people have problems getting rid of that claw part. So yeah, and you're going to see I'm rotating it again. Since I'm just leaving one of the rings on the main handle, I just rotated it and I'm trying to pull it out. This time I didn't press very hard with the scissors, so it was hard getting this one out. And now that it's very difficult to get it out, I'm going to show you again another tip to get it off. So basically what you're going to do is to grab your scissors again. You're just going to try to pull it up. Grab your scissors. I was trying to use my pliers here. So insert your scissors into the ring that you want to open, then hold it tight, then try to pull it and create some tension in the opposite direction. As you can see, it has opened up again. Then I'm just going to go to that opening, then pull it out. It is very simple. Don't go to some mechanic place to look for heavy duty pliers. Don't spend money on heavy duty pliers. Just use a scissors and your ordinary pliers to do this, or even the scissors is going to do. So I'm repeating it again so that you guys can see. It's very simple. So go to the ring that you want to get rid of and just press down on the opening like so. Press it down, and that is going to create an opening, obviously. And if your opening is large enough, you're just going to rotate that ring that is open to the closed side on the other ring, and you're going to pull it out. If it doesn't pull out, like I said, use your scissors and your pliers to do it. So that one easily went out. Then I'm going to repeat it again on this other one. So I just inserted my scissors again, yeah, like so, and I created a hole. And I already saw that that hole was too small, so I just inserted my scissors again. Then I tried to pull it apart. So that is basically it. These handles are used to make if you want to add it to your bag, it's going to be very simple. So that is basically it. You have all the claws, or whatever it's called. If you know the name, tell me down in the comment section. I call it claws of your handle out, so you can easily use this. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can know when I post another video. Please leave me a like, leave me a comment, share this video to someone who you think you might need it. Check out the tutorials of these beaded bags that I've posted. They're up on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.